Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make a Shopify site or store for somebody else, so let's get right into it. As you'll see on my dashboard, however, we won't be using this dashboard today. This is the admin dashboard for making a website for yourself. Now, while you can log in through a person's email and then just give them the email back and then let them use the store, you can go ahead and use the partner program as well, and you can make some money doing it. Here you can log in or create an account and become a partner. I'll just use this business right here, and as you can see, you can go into stores, and this will allow you to make stores for somebody else. As you can see, I already have this quick start, which is development generated test data. You can use that, or you can add a store. You can create a development store or request access to a store. I'll click request access, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. You just need to enter the store URL, and then you can access the store and develop it from here if somebody already started, or you can add a store and create a development store. And once you do, you'll create a store for a client, add the store name, where the business is located, etc., etc., and then you can create the development store. Once you do, for example, test store tutorial, for example, as you can see, it is unavailable, so I'll just add some random numbers like that. And once you get the name, create development store. And once you're done with that, it'll look something like this. Once it creates it, just let it load up for a bit. And once that's loaded up, as you can see, you have your store created, and you can then gift this store or transfer it to your client. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.